going to start our week 3 content by continuing with our review exercise example that I have just completed in the previous video. So I have 2 pages here, howto.html and index.html, and it would be great if I could link back and forth between them so that if I want to go in the browser, I don't have to type the name of the file. Let's use links. So I'm going to add a little text to the index page in order to give myself a link. And I think I'm going to have an idea that the top of the page, so right here where the kettlebell is going to be my 2 links, one to the index page and one to the how to do it page. So I'm going to put them in here. I'm just going to say, well, the text is going to be something like home and then maybe a pipe symbol. The pipe symbol is above the return key, by the way. Hold shift. And then how to do it. So home and how to. And yeah, so how do I link from one page to another? Well, here's a tag that doesn't make any sense. It's the A tag for links. Not the link tag or the L tag or anything else that you might imagine. It's called A, and it's called A because the tag was originally named an anchor, as a way to anchor a place in the document that you could jump to later. So with the idea that you mostly wanted to jump among places in a certain document, or that you might want to jump into another document into a particular place. So of course that, the web has just since taken off since back then in the dinosaur ages, and we use links for a lot more things than to jump around on a page, but that is the history. So we use an A tag, and the basic A is just you put the A start tag before the text that you want to be the link, and then you put an end tag right here afterwards. So if I want to have 2 links, then I have a separate A start tag and a separate A end tag. So now I have 2 links. So if I save my file and I look at it in the browser, it looks like this. Now, it doesn't look like anything here, and I can't select it. It doesn't look any different than it did, and that is because I need some more information on the A. So similar to the IMG tag, where I needed to hang more information, I needed an attribute for the SRC, I needed an attribute for the alt, and I needed an attribute for the width. Here I need an attribute to say, where is the other page I'm linking to? So that is called href, short for hyperlinked reference. Hyperlink is sort of the long way of talking about a link. And again, brackets is helping us out here, saying, where would I like to link to for the home page? And I'm going to say that's going to be the index. I know I'm on the index right now. That's okay. It's fine to link back to yourself. It just reloads the page in the browser. The other one I would like to do is the how-to page, so I'm going to put that one in here too, and now choose that one. The index and the how-to page are in the same folder as each other, so I don't need any fancy path or any forward slashes in here. I just need to put the name of my file, and it will, by default, look in my current folder. So I'm going to save and then take a look in the browser, refresh, and now they look like links. They're underlined. If I click it, I get to the other page, and then I can go back. If I click the home, I stay right where I was. It just takes me back to my current page. So I'd love to have this little menu bar on both pages. In fact, I think I prefer to have it up above the H1, so it's underneath the picture. So let me get that going by putting it here. And then I think I'll put it also on the other page, just in exactly the same spot. Beautify maybe. Oop. Oh, nothing to do there, I guess. Now, because IMG is an inline tag and so is A, we're going to see something funny going on. Let's see what that looks like. Yeah, I wanted it underneath that, but it's putting it next to it because it realizes that it can fit my links over to the right of my image. If I don't want that, and I may want that, if I don't want that, I can either put a BR between them, or more appropriately, I could put another tag like a P that would be a whole block of text. So that would probably be nice. Let's see if I like that. This is the how-to page. So let's see how it looks there. That's kind of what I was thinking. I was thinking I would like it down here. So I'm satisfied with that. So I'm going to wrap a set of p tags around it in the other place. And then it will look the same on both pages. Save, refresh. That's my how-to page. Here's my index page. Yay. So this is the basic way to do a link. In subsequent videos, we'll start seeing how to do some fancier kinds of linking.